Puting.
Makita
mo?
ko, makita ko.
Buto din ito tagay karang ano ba?
Gamay lang.
Unsa plans guys we don't have idea right now, Jen, since
Not yet
there's
because
another
there's
earthquake
another
happen.
earthquake, so
Possibly
it's possible that
that class will be suspended for another week.
it will be there
Then-
will still be more aftershocks.
There's a lot of aftershock here.
Wala na be. Wala na aftershock sa bugog. Pagkuhan na to sa Davao. Sa update sa kuon. Kanang Fivox na site bo.
Do you know how the total of aftershocks we have here? We have 9,000, no?
Almost
Almost
10K.
10,000 aftershock.
Yeah, but only a few of that were felt.
Ay,
And then
that
some schools are very afraid or worried about the students' reactions or mental health because some of the students are traumatized due to earthquake.